motivated. The swimming thoughts are drowning in my head, and if by some coincidence I do just what they said, and the morning blue is warning you, the avalanche is storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. Just take me away. The fire of failed reason and the rain of every season, and the patriotic treason, the ringing of bells, the avalanche of sorrow, and the soul afraid to borrow. There is not a day tomorrow, it's all about today. And the morning blue is warning you, the avalanche is storming through in the dawn of the morning blue. Just take me away, set me free, and I will be afraid enough to find it. Take my hand or take a stand, and I would never mind it. Sit and stare or say a prayer for all you left behind. Call me, just never be the last one left in line. This morning, wrong side of bed. I should have stayed in bed and slept.
So, ito na yung last day namin ngayon. Mamaya uwi na. Kaya sinusulit muna namin tong this last 30 minutes or last 1 hour na pag-swim. Actually, hindi swimming ito. Kung babasa lang kami.
Still echo in my head. The morning blue is warning you, the avalanche is